Good example, this is Tashi with the video tutorial on how to use dissertation template that I've created. This video is especially created for my MEd colleagues since we have to submit our final work in a form of template or use the dissertation template. In this video tutorial, I'll basically show you how to do necessary copy and pasting in the template, how to auto-generate list of tables, list of figures, and even the table of content. Before I start my tutorial, I would like to thank Dr. Kinzang Doji, lecturer of Samsi College of Education, for giving us sample of dissertation template. From there, I have created my own template, and I would like to tell you that it is not perfect, 100% perfect. There may be some lapses, but I try to make it as far as possible user friendly. And it is for those of you who like to use my template, this tutorial is for you. And let me now show you how to use this template. So here I have already opened the template. So this is the dissertation template. Actually, I even have the blank version of it with all the necessary formats and styles applied. But since some of my friend is really confused with doing copy pasting, so I would like to show you how to do it on my final work. So this is the cover page. So here let's start with the title. So when you do the edition in the title, I would like to advise you, I would like to inform you that do not select it directly and delete it, but instead maybe uh, click on the first starting of your title or at the end of the title and then delete my topic. So to make it faster, so press Ctrl and click backspace. It will delete word by word. Instead of going letters by letter, you can go word by word. And then let's type your title of your study. So let's say study habit. I'm just making it short. And then remaining, you can do the necessary edition of your information. So let's move to second page. So after the cover page, again here you need to do the necessary edition. Actually, there is a technique of linking your title directly with the second page as well as with the footer, header and footer. So I didn't do it because if by a chance you make a simple mistake, then that link is broken. So let's go it with typing of your title. So once again, control backspace, delete word by word. So study habit, and as I said, do the necessary edition. You can change the name of your supervisor, principal supervisor, co-supervisor, program leader, and even the dean of academic affairs. Now let's move to the third page. Oh, before that, let's look into this header. So here you can see the title, that is my research title. So you need to change it to your title. So similarly, click at the last letter and then delete it. Do not select at once and delete it. Do not highlight at once and delete it. It may distort the settings. So go word by word, slowly but calmly. So let's say study habit, and then you may want to take this page number to the extreme right. So just click tab button, so it is there. Now here one thing you need to know is in this template, the even page and odd pages, the setting is slightly different. So here for example, this is odd page. So you will see the title of your research at the left hand corner and then page number in the right hand corner. But when you go for the even number, it will be different. So here also you do edition. You just need to edit on these two pages, then remaining all the pages it will be edited itself. So auto edition. So here study habit. So maybe again you would like to take it to the extreme right. So okay. So in this you will see even and odd page settings slightly different. So in the even number you will see page your title of your work in the left hand side with the page number right hand side. But in the even number, you will see your title of your work is in the right hand side and the page number in the left hand side, just differently formatted. Then click out of it, then all the folders, it will be changed even in Word, so you don't have to do anything there. Then with the letter of declaration of originality, so you don't have to touch here because this word by word it is mandatory, and then it is being formatted by the college itself, so you don't have to do anything here. So let's go to the abstract. So already you will see my abstract is been pasted in it, but still then I would like to show you how to paste your abstract when you edit on my template. So let's imagine this is your abstract. So no need to select from abstract because already style has been created in the template. So start from the first line of your abstract. So select it till the end. You don't have to select it paragraph wise and paste it paragraph wise. You can select all the entire abstract work. And then if you look at here, when you select this way, then there is a problem. So you can see after selecting your word, even you can see certain portion is been selected, which means your uh, abstract have break page after it. And then if you directly copy this way and add paste it in your template, there is every chance that it may distort your work. So therefore, when you select it exactly to the end of your work. So even if you see in this way, you will see still it is extra selected more than your actual work. So exactly select till the end of your work, copy it, Ctrl C, copy it, and then go to your template. So in the template, abstract is already been created, formatted, so you don't have to touch here. Now pasting here, so you don't select at once, copy all of it, and at once you do not press delete button or uh, backspace button, so it may distort that its format. So what I would like to advise you is select or leave at least 1 to 2 letters or one letter or even in one word as per your choice till there, and then paste your work. So Ctrl V, paste it, and then you will see here E and I is extra because in when I did the copy pasting, I didn't select E and I. So this you can slowly and calmly delete it. So similar pattern of copy paste can be done in all the pages, even with the keywords, acknowledgement, table of content. We'll generate it later. Similarly, list of figures and list of tables will generate it later. Abbreviation, you can also do similar copy pasting. Now let's go for chapter 1, introduction. So this is your template. I will bring example from my other work. So here you will see in this my work, the chapter title, there is no style applied because you can see it's normal here. Even in background, all is normal. So what you can do is you no need to copy chapter 1 because it's already there in the template. So you can copy from 1.1 till the end of your chapter 1. So here it is. Okay, copy exactly to till the end of your chapter 1. So Control C, copy it. Now you can move to your template. So here it is. So for this it is already style is applied, and here also is already applied, but since we are going to paste it, copy paste here, so you can select from here also, or some of you may wish not to touch here but would like to go from the next line, it's also okay. So I will show from here. So I go till the end of this chapter 1 in my template. So okay, yes. So as I said, when you copy when you highlight in template, do not highlight all. So at least leave last few letters or a word and then paste it. So I didn't select here last S and full stop, and then I will directly paste here my work. So that S and full stop, so I can slowly delete it. Okay, done. And you will see here these subtitles do not have any style selected, which I will show you how to do it. So okay, I'm going to skip chapter 2 because copy pasting is same. So I would like to directly jump into chapter 3 because I have some figures and tables which I would like to show you how to auto generate them. So okay, this is my chapter 3. So I have copied it and pasted it is same way like how I have done, but still, and for some of you, let's do like revisiting it. So let me take my chapter 3. Okay, few more pages. Okay, here. So okay, I select chapter 3.1, sorry, 3.1, select till end of my chapter 3. Okay, few more pages. Okay, and then I select till the last letter, that's full stop exactly, then press Ctrl C, that is copy, and then I go to the template, and in the template I select from 3.1. As I said, you can select, do not select all at once and that chapter and delete it. Maybe I would like to say maybe last few letters or words you can skip it. Let's say in this I skipped last word, then paste on it, Ctrl V. So here you will see results twice, so maybe you can click at the end and then slowly click backspace. Okay, I would like to recommend you to use backspace instead of using delete button, because if by a chance you press delete button in axis more in number, then maybe it will destroy the format which is in the chapter 4. So here also you will see these my subtopics do not have any styles applied. So now let me show you how to apply styles so that you can auto generate the table of content. So okay, let's move it to chapter 1. Okay, for chapter 1 title, no need to do anything because already it has been selected. Here you can see style has been already applied. Now 1.1, you will see no styles applied here. So since it is the heading 2, so I'll select heading 2 from this style. So style, you will get it in a home button in this style column. If you do not see here, do not get afraid that that style is not there. Just click this down arrow, drop down arrow, and you will see the titles. So here I have heading 2. You can see heading 2 emit heading 2 APA. So click on it. So now you see it is applied. How will you know it? Just drag to the edge of it. You will see here that arrow sign, which means your style is being applied. Now for some of you may think that you need to highlight the letters or the words and then apply headings. It's not necessary. If you are used to it, you can do it. If not, you can just simply click anywhere in that title and then apply style. Like for example, I will show you with the 1.2. So 1.2, I click in the middle of my word here, and then I go for heading 2. I do it this way. Or some of you may go for highlighting it, like I will show you here. 1.3, you highlight it and do heading 2. It's same. How whichever you are comfortable, please do it. So 1.4, it's heading 2. 1.5 is also heading 2. 1.6 is also heading 2. Now I will show you directly with the chapter 3 because I have even subheadings there, and also with some tables in figures which we can also use it for auto generating it. So table 3.1, it is a subheading 2, sorry, it is heading 2, so you just click on heading 2. 3.2 is also heading 2, so click on it. Then you will see here 3.2.1 research paradigm. So it is an extension of 3.2. So it will not be heading 2, but instead it would be heading 3. So let's search heading 3 here. So you will see here heading 3. So select it, heading 3. So all the format of heading 3 will be applied automatically. So 3.2.2 is also heading 3. So select heading 3 because it is the extension of 3.2. So similarly, you can apply for all your headings and subheadings. Now I will show you how to generate a table of content. So for this, you need to go back to table of content page, and if you keep on scrolling, it is time consuming. So for quick access, press Control F. Actually, it's a search option, but you can see here in the navigation you will see headings. So you click on headings, you will see all the list of your subheadings. So table of content, click table of content, and you're directly in the table of content page. So okay, do not click on the table of content and apply insert automatic generating of table of contents. So just go one step below, then go to reference. In the reference, to the extreme left corner you will see table of content. So click on it. You will be given different format, so choose the format that you want. So I'll go for the first one. So I click it. After a few seconds, my table of content is generated. uh, just wait, let me do it once again. Okay, yes, okay, done. This is my table of content. Now in the table of content you will see this contents is there, so you don't need it because already your table of content is here. So you can delete it, go backspace instead of pressing delete button, and then you will see the all the styles headings that you have used will be selected for making it here. Now in this case what you will see is you don't want to highlight all these pages topic, but you just want to go with the title a chapter topic. So you can do the necessary edition, you can highlight it, and then press Ctrl B to remove the bold here. And similarly, if you think that the font is not as per what it is needed here, so usually you will see here caliber is there, but in some cases you may see Times New Roman. So if you think that this font is not the appropriate one, so click on it, select on it, sorry for some pronunciation mistake, select, and then here in the font you can click Times New Roman, maybe font size 12, and then done. And then if spacing as per the APA 7th edition, it should be 2, but to save your number of pages, to minimize it, so maybe you can press keep it 1.5, so you can press Ctrl 5, that will give you 1.5. If you want to go for spacing of 2, then you can press Ctrl 2, that will give the spacing of 2, but for this tutorial I will show you with the 1.5. So that's done. So this is how you create auto generate table of content. Now let's say that after creating a table of content, you did some edition in your work and you need to update here. So you don't have to update it manually, you can do it in a few clicks. Like for example, here you can go, when you click here you will see update table here. So you can click on it, and then how you want to update. You want to update only the page number, or maybe you did edition with some work, so you want to update entire page. So you can click entire page and then OK. So here it again, you need to do some necessary edition. Or if you sometime do not see that this message, then what you can do is you can right click and then click update field. So it process is same, so it will be updated. So that's all about how to create table of content. Now let's see how to create list of figures and list of tables. So let us go back to our work, chapter 1. So here you will see, so okay, this is the figure that I have. So according to APA 7th edition, our caption for the figures and tables should look like this, where your figure number is bold and the title is italic. But if you use this format and use style, then it's not going to give you auto generate you the list of figures. If you if you keep your cursor here and then click style, then it's going to just select figure 1.1 without its heading. And when you auto generate your list of figures, you will just see figure 1.1 and in that particular page, so page number 3. You want the figure number with the figure title, so you can take this figure title with the figure number, then you can create the star, you can use the star, and after that you can make the necessary edition. After once you generate the list of figures, then you can do the necessary edition by following APA 7 edition rules. So here now, clicking on the figure title, select the style. So I have already created style in my template, so you can see style called figures, so click on it. So when you click figures style, then it is applied. So that's figure 1.1 I have. Then I will jump to, let's say, figure 2.1 here. So I already style has been applied. So let's go to directly with the chapter 3. We'll go to chapter 3 here. So figure 3.1. So take it up and then apply style, figure style. 3.1. Okay, 3.2. Let me take it down. And then this one, let me bring it up with the tight figure caption. And then since it's figure, so I select here figure style. Okay, done. Now let me show you with the table. So table, again, I would like to take the table title up with the table caption. Now I cannot choose figures here since it is a different one, so we are using here as a table. So let us search table style here. As I said, if you cannot see here which is been displayed, click on the down arrow and then select tables. So I select it, so table. So table of it's been applied. So I applied with the table 1, 3.1. Let me apply with the table 3.2. Let me pull this table later up. So okay, so okay, table 3.2 IOC of, let's make it achievement test. Okay, so okay, now I apply here table. So I have here the style table. So this way you keep on selecting applying the style to figures or with the tables. Now let's auto generate it. Press Ctrl F, you will get the search option, but select the heading, and then in the heading scroll up to get the list of figures. Okay, now you are in the list of figure page. Just go one step down from that list of figure. Do not enter it, or do not keep your cursor there and insert the list of figures, because it's going to distort it. So just go one step down, extreme to the right, left, then go to reference tab. So in the reference tab, once you click here, you will get insert table or figure. So select that one. So you will be automatically you will see a pop-up message with the table of figures selected here. For this option you will not see the figures. So what I would like to suggest is do not do anything here, just go to option, and in the option in the style select your figures and then press OK, and then again OK. So click no. So this is how your list of figure will be shown. So select it, and then you may do the necessary addition like changing the font into Times New Roman, size 12, and then spacing 1.5. So similar you can do it even with the list of table. So in the list of table, just go one step down, go to the reference tab. In the reference tab you will see insert table of figures. There you don't have to select your figure table, you just go for option. In the option select your table. So okay, table, and then okay, and you will see it is none, so leave it as it is, then press OK. So once again you will see this pop-up message, do not click yes. If you click yes, then your figure this list of table will replace your list of figure that you have already created. So basically select no, and then here you so select all of it, then maybe change your font Times New Roman 12 1.5 spacing. So this is how you create auto generate list of table and figure even with the table of content, and apply styles, do the copy pasting in template. That's all for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do not forget to hit like button in my YouTube channel, and then also you can subscribe my YouTube channel for more information. Till then, take care and thank you.